immediately felt like a spark within, and I said, okay, this is something that's definitely fitted for me, and I signed up. My name is Marianna, I'm from Italy, and I work in Leuven at the VAB Center for Brain and Disease Research. I'm a last year PhD, and my research focused on synapse homeostasis in a physiological context and also in a pathophysiology of Parkinson's disease. I always believe I was very lucky to be trained like I was trained, to have the education I had, and it was a privilege. So I always wanted to give more meaning to it by being able to share it.
Hello, my name is Ivy. I'm from Antwerp, Center of Molecular Neurology, and I'm working on Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. I always wanted to do something in Africa, charity work, voluntary work. I didn't know yet what, but it was certain that I had to do it in my life. I thought this is my opportunity to do it, and it was an easy way to do it actually, because it was all set already, the project was there, so I just had to jump in and didn't have to prepare a lot, so I thought it's now or never. It was the most overwhelming, exciting, inspiring week in my life, I would say. Many things that impressed me. To begin with, I'm not that adventurous, so the travel itself already was an adventure on its own. I came here to help the people with something that I have experience in. They were very interested and very active, participating in all the lab work, and I really enjoyed it. I learned with less advanced technology you can do actually a lot.
It was magical. It really brought me a lot of joy, I have to say. Don't let fear stop you. If you feel within it's something you would like to do, just do it. And everything will be fine, because it's safe, everything is well arranged, and people here are so nice, you will really feel welcome, so you won't regret it.
Just do it. Don't hesitate. You're in good hands to do this, and yeah, you will experience something you might never experience in your whole life. So.